All right, last one, last Creswell video. All right, y squared minus 2y, gathering the y's together, and let's gather the x's together and factoring out the -4. So x squared minus 4x, and then I'm going to put the 31 on the other side. Oops, it turns into a positive 31, doesn't it? Okay, so let's complete the square on this. So y minus 1 squared, I added a 1, so I'm going to add a 1 over here, carry the -4, complete the square here. I get x minus 2 squared. I added a 4, but no, I really added a -4 times a 4, so that's a -16. So I added a -16 when I did this. All right, so let's see what this gives me. So I get a y minus 1 squared minus 4x minus 2 squared equals 16. And so I'm going to divide through by 16. And then I get x minus 2 squared over 4 equal 1. Okay, so my a squared is 16. My b squared is 4. So a is 4, b is 2. So my c squared will be 16 plus 4. So that's 20. So c is equal to plus or minus root 20. All right, so where is my center of my hyperbola? So because it's subtraction, it's hyperbola, right? The center will be 2, 1, right? X equal 2, y equal 1. All right, so let's get that going. So 2, 1. So there would be the center. Okay, so since the y value is first, it's going to be opening up here, right? And then down here, so let's go find those vertices, right? But just again, making sure you have a reference, a general idea of what to expect. So the vertices will be the x value of 2, and then I'm going to be adding and subtracting this a value to the y, right? So I get 1 plus 4, and then the x value of 2, 1 minus 4. So this gives me 2, 5, and 2, -3. So here would be my vertex here, and -3 down here. Okay, and then I need to go find the focus. So that's going to be adding and subtracting the root 20 to the y value. So it's going to be 2, 1 plus root 20, and 2, 1 minus root 20. And these are fine answers right there. Just leave it as this f and leave it as this f right there. Okay, so remember that trick for the asymptotes. So trick for the asymptotes is to take this and set it equal to 0, right? So set it equal to 0, not 1, and move. Let's just go take a couple of steps at 1. Move this to the other side. So I'll get y minus 1 squared over 16 equal x minus 2 squared over 4. So let's multiply both sides by 16. So I'll get y minus 1 squared equal 4 times x minus 2 squared. Let's take the square root. Y minus 1 is equal to plus or minus 2 x minus 2. And I'm just going to leave it like that. Don't really need the parentheses there now, do I? Right, so these are my asymptotes. And I'll just draw them in. They do go through the center. And we are done.